Here is a ValenDrawers Drawer Clamp, manufactured by ValenDrawers, who are a drawer manufacturer. And apparently at one time they did offer this machine for sale. Pneumatic. This particular regulator here controls the cycling of the clamp's length and width. You can select which one will close first. At this point, we've got it selected so that the width closes first. Turn on the air valve. If I hit the foot switch, you'll see that the width will close first and then the height. And then here's your release. The width is adjustable by throwing this arm, sliding the whole assembly east and west. And your height is adjusted manually just by sliding these clamping assemblies up and down. Same thing on that side. You also have adjustable blocks. You can crank up and down if you don't have a deep drawer, you don't want to drop it all the way in. You can raise those up. Release, foot switch.